Kolkata, a city built around the river, and now reshaping it. Welcome to Century Ports, built with one focus: to make your East India calls faster, leaner, and simpler. From river to road, from sea to shore, Century Ports welcomes every vessel with precision and speed. You already know us. From manufacturing plywood in 1986 to building bonded CFSs under Century Infra. At Sonai and JJP, we've long been part of India's logistics backbone. We've even handled operations at Falta Jetty, delivering cargo movements where others hesitated. Kolkata's port network is anchored by Netaji Subhas Dock and the historic Kidiapur Dock. Within this hub lies KPD-1 West. Spread across 83,000 square meter at KPD-1 West, Century Ports is purpose-built with modern layouts, dedicated reefer zones, bonded yards, and clear access routes. The port is designed for speed, safety, and future expansion. From secure entry gates that manage vehicle flow, temperature-controlled reefer zones, to precision weighbridges, ensuring accurate cargo measurements, every step is engineered for efficiency. While spacious warehouses offer safe and organized storage, ample parking areas reduce congestion and keep movement smooth across the site. Advanced mobile harbor cranes, high-capacity reach stackers, and versatile material handlers work in sync to load, unload, and transport containers swiftly. Reliable utilities with dedicated substations and water storage keep operations running, while on-site facilities include a bagging plant, forklifts, and trailers for seamless cargo movement. Century Ports, everything you need, minus the clutter. Aligned with India's green port vision, Century Ports integrates shore power, LED lighting, and digital dashboards. From the port, your cargo reaches Northeast India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Myanmar, not in weeks, but days, becoming a vital link in the Eastern Corridor. Road, rail, river, all aligned. No diversions, no pileups. Phase 1 handles 300,000 metric tons of bulk and break bulk cargo and 165,000 TEUs of containers, scaling in Phase 2 to 650,000 metric tons of bulk and break bulk cargo and 330,000 TEUs of containers annually. And will scale as the volumes do, not the other way around. Powering India's Amrit Kaal. Century Ports, future-ready port solutions.